Big up Crosses TV.
Krossez TV, me blood clot.
That's the only time Queenie do it. Sure.
Big up Crosses TV.
What's up, Krossez TV? You need to pick up the Krossez over here too. Big dirty dog teeth them in her mouth. The woman stick a leg and have big cocky. Cause do it don't even look like him can't get Queenie a good fuck. Cause same like how do we maga, so him would maga. Me not ask twice, cause me can't see that. Me
I
say
don't
the
know
woman
people like
sick,
it.
my stomach is say. Never see one big woman's blood clot sick my stomach and upset. If she was my family, remember me tell you, I kick her in her pussy, see.
Thank God me and your family come with a
Blood clot,
bite
Queenie,
off your
I
blood
thought
clot cocky. If me and you was family and you gonna kick me in my pussy with a bite off your cocky. Thank God me ain't related.
That's the only time Queenie remember her daughter when Dewey gone fuck on her because her daughter did sick and there in England. And before she stay with her daughter, she
Hey.
her daughter go to Jamaica. I met Dewey down the take her 100,000.
Morning, Royal
beat her
Chris.
up,
That's so
gone
much
and
dead
go there
Marias.
and fuck girl and crash her fan. If you go
That's-
man and come out for the internet, boy, you're girl power. You know pussy clock girl power.
But you ain't know me a man and a half
She
power.
ever use you as a motive.
Wait, you know?
Blood clot.
How would I rubbish
She have
truck
the
you?
dog teeth them. Mr. First, she get the dog teeth them. She just a talk up on internet.
Liar tell, without dark teeth or dark teeth, me always attack. It burn your dirty blood clot, cause me a the queen. Rubbish
I
attack.
don't want she and want me, you know, Julie. I don't want she and want me.
Wow.
I'm going to call him and beg him and fuck me. Can't get the fuck anytime I want it.
How would that somebody?
She's a
Fuck
disgrace
that
to
Friday.
female. And every day she live on girl power. Girl power. Go out your dog.
My dog power, burn it from a girl power. What a way I can raise and I make couldn't stay relevant. When I not get more than 1 day out of fame, on a lame na blood clot, the whole on have to suck out the bit of something out of my ears well. For the internet wanna beat me off because you know I beat me over my own life. The internet.
And they over 3 years and do it still favor drunk crow. Him no put on no weight. Him no look good. I must say other day Queenie
What,
band
him
do
can't-
this
you know, him and I can't even
red
catch
bottom,
breath.
them, nobody now wear red bottom again. Everybody stop wear blood clot red bottom.
Red
Everybody's-
bottoms, you know. Everybody, how can it's designer, my dear? Let's I break it down for you. The designer is in the shop for you to go and buy Giuseppe if you want to buy Giuseppe. If you want to buy Christian Louboutin, if you want to buy Louis Vuitton, if you want to buy Gucci, if you want to buy Chanel. How hell can a designer shoe stop wear? It can't stop wear because you don't have none, brother. It can't stop wear at thousands of dollars for it, thousands of pounds. There's no way a designer stop wear. You trying to done me, none of blood clot, you can done me pan this, you grudge me from a dirty blood clot like the...
a blood clot.
How would it?
And then next week the teeth them are gonna get brown.
Wow.
She smoke too much weed and she smoke too much cigarette. When you have your veneers, enough to smoke cigarette and them something there.
Any blood clotting me want to do with my own. You see, since me dem on internet, so you are look attention off of me. Me dey on internet anyhow. Whether the teeth them, whether them white, whether them pink, whether them purple. Grudgeful. How would it?
Ed.
Who's the person? What Mariah crazy? Me no know who. We just see her the man.
The most blood clot shame I yo. Mr. Fam should get the dog teeth them every minute should have on internet.
I don't know
I don't know
who.
how they now come up.
I don't know. Fuck that. What happened? Me run go put on my wig a while ago. Hey man, me run go put on. Them batty man had no fancy. I'm gonna thank God for internet. Thank God
Mother,
for.
if my mother to mother this one
Thank God me and your mama. If that is if you could never be my mom. And my kids does not refuse me. So no matter how uno hate me, for me pity them love me for their mommy. Hello? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah. I can pause it, baby, alright? Oh, alright, baby, I'll phone you after. Love you. Bye. Alright. Some men, you burn me, it burn you for my girl power. My dog teeth them. You grudge me because I'm on internet. You grudge me can't do it no one. You grudge me because I'm old. But you talk about me and I haven't got a clue who you are. Boy, my left breast to my bumper blood clots. It's for that Fridays, ladies and gentlemen. Not change. Just the day. The Queen is here. Why I not get up and feel like you can insult me? And then say because I come and talk with my husband to me. You can abuse me. It don't make no sense. Because I come over here and I look at tension, as to speak. And I'm referring to all of my pain and what I feel. And then you insult my on top of it. You try to take away my brand. You try to tell me something if I come off the internet. But realistically, I'm dead. You know why I'm dead? Eh? Is that depression laugh me off? Any laugh for my laugh, baby? I don't understand. If someone sit down, take up my life on them head, write it the way they want to write it, talk it with them because of internet, and then I run me off of internet. And when me come off of internet, what you ever get to talk about? Because myself, I come over here, come talk about all the time. My donkey ass teeth them, the dog teeth them, vampire teeth them. Yes, they're mine. The husband of mine, when I come and I explain myself what my husband done to me, but none of blood clotting I can bash him. I'm going confused till Jesus come. Sit down and wait till Jesus come, and I will repeat myself. I will talk what my husband do when I feel some type of way, but none of blood clot, you know. Now I get to abuse him. I'm still not sitting down. I mean, none of the type I'm passing the place. Why do I feel like you can't insult me and trim me down? You look like grass too, you know? Men of grass, you know. When I could have deal to blood clot, me on the on this 50 blood clot, 50 back to back, double tap, side and side. Be confused, don't make me block you. No, baby, you're confused. Don't make me block you, darling. Darling, be realistically and let me reason as people. It's my life, baby. And you lot are hating on me because I don't come and claim the perfect life. Because I'm a vulgar, I'm loud, you can't insult me. I don't have no right to talk, you bully me. So I have to say girl power because I'm use me. No, that does not make any sense, baby. Baby, I will be in the book of Guinness Book of Record. You know why? I'm real to myself. I'm real to life. You know, all cuss me over my daughter, you insult me over my daughter, my child, you know, my firstborn. You use it for, you know, the girl have pom-pom, I have the pom-pom, you use my daughter every time I cuss me for pom-pom. For some I run and left my daughter, but no one's know my emotion. No one can protect my emotion for me. So none of talk and say me for come off the internet. But without me on the internet, good God. Who on the internet out of so much people really? Really, my dear. Sit down and say yes, cry, Queenie. Don't give a fuck. Who on the internet say be shame, Queenie? Don't give a fuck. Who on the internet say scream, Queenie? Who on the internet say be loud? Come on now. Wanna take it for your habit? For use my data and insult me and use as a reference and then said it's alright for me to be calm. It's good for me to be bored. Not bored. It's good for me to sit down and worried about what you lot said. So I'm gonna have to take my pussy up in my hand and wrap it tight so and thump it on a blood clot face. And the moment I do that, man, a girl power. Me not fi be mother. Them fi kill me. It's my husband, me will forever defend my bumper pussy blood clot husband. Cause that's my nature. all when the man hate me. That's the queen. Get over it, baby. Uno guy make posts, uno guy drop down, uno guy kill up on a blood clot self. You nor nobody on this internet can deny me the fact of girl power. I stand firm by myself saying girl power. I don't give a fuck. Sick your stomach. Alright, Marsha, you sick stomach. Come on for this. One gone. Now where Marsha name there? Black Marsha, yeah, black shade. Alright, Marsha, my sick stomach. Come on for this. It's getting beyond the joke. If something sick my stomach. Yesterday, me and my husband go on this on the drive in the ghetto. Yeah. In a DR. Yes, me, my husband and the driver. And I say, nice, me more I see in the ghetto, me a view in the ghetto, me a drive. And when I came out the car, you're listening. When I came out the car, them have the tomatoes. You know, going to market, Coronation Market. So call it say, after them Kermit. Yeah, man, me just black car, man. She rude. Too early for she, yeah. And when I step out of the car and see the liquor, something of water, I feel the cranniness on my skin. And my daughter come complain to you know. I said, Nas. Now when I come out of the car and I see the cranny something, the first thing I say, oh God, me don't bother where I go. The place too cranny. And when I do, I stop my breath. When the man turned back to put me in the car now, I said, no, Queenie, mind over matter. And I stop my breath. Yeah? I stop my breath and hold my composure, forget that experience of Santander Domingo Market. No. With all due respect, as a grown-ass mom, grandmother, woman, wife, / queen, when you're not going to learn, so you can't bully me. You can't scare me. You cannot advise me. You can't sit down and listen to a great blood clot woman. Because you see, them a greatness here is what 99% of ladies refuse to speak about. They cling fingers, them get buckle, and them screw it. You see me, Queenie? It's my emotion and my feelings. From a feel some type of way, my heart a beat like it a jump out of me. You can't stand by me for help make my heart stay up on a level. Every blood clot body I go feel some type of way. That's just a long and short of it. I don't really give a flying fuck. Mother, pitney, husband, they are my family, my generation. And you say whether them can tolerate me, yes or not, they have to accept me for who I am. Now, these people find it for a routine to sit and said my mom is to condemn me and my kids is to condemn me. But you know what upon the internet are fasting on my business and a fight on the opinion in my business and a rude to me in my business. You no bully me, you no disrespect me, you no lower my feelings. And if I wasn't the strong person with the confidence I've got, with the white dirty dark teeth, you no bad mind me, no fun I can't even do blood clot teeth. If me never have the confidence with me, I've none of that have on black clothes already. Leave me. I am proud of me. I am loved by the world. I am what? Loved by the world. For my realness, my awfulness, my loud, horrible, disgusting self. Come on now. Which body wanna say really determined and awful like me? Oh no, shame killing on a real shame. Shame take on her again. Because for the friend I don't give a fuck the whole on I got blood clot shame. I remember telling you why not for paying me now. I don't want to know money, you know. So I get it wrong. But when I say pay, when I have a royal coronation, it's like, oh, me have a royal coronation 9 years ago. and crown myself, I saw no dirty blood clad for PM me. Let me tell you why. You're gonna say if you did have somebody, this all you dark. If it was your sister and your sister still like me, you'd have cut out your sister pussy. Talk with sense. A foolishness. Oh, you're gonna hold your sister cut out your sister pussy. Talk with sense and don't drag my name. Forget laughing and people say, hey, I'm an idiot. I'm smart, I'm intelligent, and I'm real. You know why not for pay me as in crown me? I represent for a lot of ladies, and that's the God Almighty truth. No fluttering, no blappering, no glappering. Me Queenie represent for a lot of ladies. Me are the true definition of a strong black woman. No. Me I go through and me I go through. Me never ask no one for help. Me not ask no one for help me no. Me come and me share my pain, my hurt, my deceit, which is my child what died. I share that. And instead of you lot appreciating what you lot do, when I try all the woman she come, she cuss me about my breath. She cuss me about my picky here. No. People cuss you over the most darnest thing. People say the most darnest thing. No. Internet make filters. All sorts of things to create different image. And me when they here we don't give a fuck about filter. Me's a old school baby. Me's a what? Old bomber pussy blood clad school. Me no have to wear ass ear for feel good about myself. Love, peace, and joy. When me I grew up, them 3 words there was keywords. Love, peace, joy, happiness. Where is the love? Where is the joy? Where is the peace? No. If my husband does something wrong in my eyes, when me no like, and I feel my eyes and feel them do the right thing. This one wrong. And when me walk does my customer and say, no, so do never give me another canned beef. And then when me look, me see me eat it with the rice, and me want some of my cuss or whatever. Am I not allowed as a big grown ass mother, husband / influencer to express my feelings? And a brother now close me van. And a brother, well, a brother close anyway, no matter, a sexy or sexy. No. I come, I'm a talk about Dewey and the canned beef. But talking about Dewey and the canned beef don't mean to say me I put down Dewey himself. Me I put down Dewey action, Dewey behavior, and the toleration of Dewey. No, am I not allowed to? If Dewey provoke me like him say me a 9, I'm a piss him every minute, and him provoke me, I'm a scream out. I'm not allowed to. I'm to make because of society. I put that mask on, cling thing up my face, and stifle myself because of what? Oh, Queenie, you got Jamaica left your daughter. My daughter, me supposed to go Jamaica left for her, baby. How many times am I going to cuss me over the same thing? My emotion could not stay with my child. When I go beat me and take my pussy tongue out of my head, and my head, my pussy tongue reach when I'm not done with me. And underneath my pussy tongue there, I in my head. It's rude. It's bullying. It is bullying. If me never believe in myself and rehabilitate myself right now, would I end up in a fucking institution? Because I come and I scream. I shout loud and proud. Wanna try to backfire upon me? How fucking dare you to make an internet video about me and that slimy woman with them to come from Mandeville? Oh dear, oh no. For make a slimy video about me because I come on the internet crying for help? Oh God, more help me. That is a therapy. That is a blood clot therapy for let out. Are you back together? My husband never blood clot left with the right so we not talk, but with the right blood clot so we not left for still blood clot. Right? Me dash the pussy clot ring off from my finger and me hold my composure. Me not hold no blood clot body nothing. Me tell you now. If me want gonna go bump and do it cocky my bump and do it blood clot cocky and me want get up and balls to do it. Never want my bump and in blood clot cocky. It's my feelings, my husband and my life. This is getting beyond the joke. When I get up on a send make a video, when I not send them come give me. When I do not send them come give me. Because you not abuse me and it's truth. When I constantly I use my dead pitney, I tell me say, me not have no right for go to Jamaica go make my husband fuck me if my daughter sick and in a hospital and me never want to her look like how she bump up pussy blood clot look. Wanna come kill me dirty blood clot. You can't take blood, go in a hospital, go itch up with every blood clot by the way in there. Go confession say what? So wait there, what do with it there? What you mean by confession? Are you a blood clot confession? We don't have no blood clot confession, baby. What you mean by confession? My husband the right this and me the right here. So what do you mean? I wish I would have there. And me and him come here. We live here, right here, same day, not the same fucking house. So what no problem? It's rude. It's fucking rude. This is getting beyond the fucking joke. Whatever happened to me, a bully when I bully me, you know. The whole of income and a bully me. And tell me, say, me not have no right. Me is embarrassing to society. Me pity them for condemn me. I'm a life I no want. I'm a fame I no want. And the attention when me get to no want. Shut up, Queenie, your pressure. No, I no, some pressure no I. But I don't understand some normal, you know. I get up and I go in the room and I pull the room door and I go in and I say, can you make me a spliff, please do it? I'm a husband. Me is not a drunker as I don't think.